What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our content being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, please make sure to tap that like, just give it a little tap right now and make it turn blue. It really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So just a quick update today because I am English and it is the Euros final today, so it does seem as though football may be coming home. So just a quick little update for all of our cryptos that we like to cover here. So as we can see, really not much has happened over the past day or so at all for Vechain. We're obviously it's the weekend and the volume has been extremely low here. I mean, you can see how crazy low the volume is. Basically, ever since we had this big crash, the volume has just been steadily tapering off. And we've seen this for most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. And this usually means that we're about to see some crazy move to either direction because everyone's kind of waiting and seeing what's going to happen. But it does look as though Bitcoin is starting to bottom out. Basically, pretty much every single indicator for Bitcoin, the MACD, the RSI, and the price action itself, they're all indicating that a reversal is pretty likely, especially the MACD and the stock RSI. And it is there are a lot of factors here that it does seem as though that we may be potentially seeing the bottom for Bitcoin, or maybe we're going to see one last big manipulative bearish push to the downside to try and liquidate more people before essentially the price action starts to move up in a big way. It has been suppressed for a few months now by a lot of whales selling and also just a general crazy amount of FUD in the market, and obviously this has been affecting Vechain as well. As you can see, we've been in this descending wedge, but we have actually broken out and back tested it now. The volume is really low though, so we really do need to see the volume picking up so that we can get a move to the upside with some confirmation. As we're still stuck under our 20 EMA here, as you can see on the daily time frame here, we're basically just stuck under the daily EMA ever since we flipped bearish. And until we start to break these levels, we will continue to roll over, as you can see here. If we just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here, just to get an idea of what's happening, you can see that basically the volume is just stupidly low right now. And it does seem as though we have just back tested this resistance that we were under for a long time here, and now it does look as though we may be getting that pickup that we're looking for. So obviously over the weekend things can be quite volatile. It is Sunday today, and as you can see, the volume has been crazy low. We do usually get bloody Sundays in cryptocurrency, but we're not seeing that right now. We're mostly just seeing a lot of really low volume and sideways action. There's no real volume here to really take advantage of any moves, so pretty much everything just heading sideways. Everything's just chilling out. Taking a quick look at the daily time frame here, zoomed out, you can quite clearly see on the macro time frame, things still looking good for Vechain in our opinion. Obviously, we are in a little bearish period here, but we have been in bearish periods before where we flipped bearish on our EMAs here, as you can see. And we have bounced inside of this channel. So obviously we came all the way down here for the March 2020 crash. We picked up, got back above all these levels of resistance, made a new little local high, had our consolidation correction period, had this huge parabolic run up for Vechain, which we did say at the time was probably quite unsustainable. And now we flipped bearish again, and we're having a nice little cooling off period again, in and around the previous all-time high, adjusted for the new tokenomics. So it does seem as though things are all on track. I mean, there's not really much to say today. The volume is incredibly low, but this is just because there's a lot of people with stable coins waiting on the sidelines. Everyone's waiting to see what's going to happen. But it does seem as though, I mean, previously, as you can quite clearly see here, every time that we come down to the bottom of this channel and we're oversold, we do get decent bounces to the upside, and we are approaching this phenomenon for Vechain again. So if we do get this touch of the downside here, touch of this the bottom of this channel, and we do get really oversold, do anticipate that we're probably going to see a decent bounce, because historically, that is historically what the chart is telling us, and this is what has happened every single time at least the past 2 times before. So as you can see, pretty obvious to us that things are going fine for Vechain right now. There's really not that much to say, but obviously let's just take a look at the weekly time frame here to see if we're in a bear market. And as you can see, on our weekly time frame here, we're still holding the 55 moving average as support. This is a very, very strong support, and this is obviously good to see in a bull market. We're still in an uptrend here, or at least in a consolidation period now. As you can see, when you lose the 20 historically here, you basically come down, retest the 55, and then to prove that you're still in the bull market, you get back above the 20 and move up like this. And this is exactly what's happened here. We came down, we retested the 55 here. We come back up, we rolled over again, haven't we? Now we're retesting the 55 again. And in my opinion, as long as we don't start really rolling over below the 55 and rolling over and falling out of this channel here, then things are going to be okay for Vechain. But obviously, as you can see, if we take a look at our daily time frame, looking very oversold in general. And if we do come down to the bottom of this channel, we're going to be so oversold. The chance of the bounce is pretty likely. So short-term price prediction, keeping the video short today. It does seem as though, you know, we're probably going to see just a lot of sideways movement for the next week or so, judging by how low the volume is. But do anticipate if we do get that big move for Bitcoin in either direction, that Vechain's probably going to follow suit. So keep an eye on the Bitcoin chart. If you start to see it potentially breaking out in either direction, Vechain's obviously probably going to follow it with some relative closeness. But obviously in the long term, just taking a look at this chart for a second again, you can see we're probably going to be okay with Vechain here. Going into the remainder of the bull market, I reckon that we're probably going to hit this $1 level, which would be a nice one of our nicer Fibonacci extensions on our chart here, as you can see. And then obviously $2 or $3 is possible if we do get very overextended going into the the start of next year, depending on how long the bull run lasts. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.